Jobman offers a powerful quoting platform that forms the foundations for profitable manufacturing. Following these steps in order will have you quoting in no time and provide an understanding of how you can quickly modify this portion of the software to optimize your manufacturing business. Please note, your system might have been set up with some sample data so that you have an example. Do not delete these, as it is better to edit these to suit and avoid deleted database entries where possible. Examples provided are typical in a cabinet shop, but can quickly be modified to suit your industry. If you have been set up to access and edit features in the Settings tab, you will be able to navigate to the following areas and ensure your terminology and settings are correct. Create your material types for quoting. This will categorize your materials by type when searching. Wastage factors can be set here for material types that have different optimizations. Create brands that you quote with. Quote pricing is a good one to keep generic for quoting purposes. Create the product type categories that you sell. These are normally what your products are classed by. For quoting purposes, create generic materials to quote with. These materials might not be an exact article number, but represent a range price point. For example, board in a certain size and finish is your price point, but the color is not defined. With these materials, make sure you set not available to order for items that are used for quoting purposes only. To set up styles, we must first set up style items, and then the options for each style item. Items can be selected from within the quote, which can represent different material or hardware options for the product you manufacture. For each style item, you can create as many options that you offer your customers to then create their custom selections. Create and name the styles that describe the price point options of the products that you sell. Create the components that can populate your products. Define the sizing parameters of your components and how they respond to your products. Components will also populate the product type selected for faster library creation. Add operation part times for your product. These will form part of your product costs. Importing products from your CAD/CAM software is possible if the naming conventions are the same. Products can be duplicated, so set up a simple product of each product type that you will build your library from. Only one product requires operation times. The rest can be populated via a CSV export, which can then be re-imported. Presets allow for quick population of common products that you would normally quote in a specific instance. Quoting off a set of plans is a perfect example to obtain accurate pricing and even a bill of materials without the need to draw to obtain the same information. Presets are also a great place to define items that are normally added into a quote, such as other service providers or other miscellaneous items. Now that we understand the order of setting up quoting, we can create a quote to see and test all is working as expected. For tips and tricks or more information on quoting setup, please see our in-app help documentation.